Okay, so property, plant, and equipment acquisition on installment basis. No, so paano naman kapag ang PPE is binili ng kumbaga hulugan, no? Hulugan, okay? Installment. If an asset is offered at a cash price and an installment price and is purchased at installment price, the asset shall be recorded at the cash price. Okay? So, 'di ba class no, common 'to sa mga ano no, mga PPE na meron siyang cash price. So meaning ganito lang yung babayaran mo, no? Gantong amount lang yung babayaran mo if you purchase the equipment on a cash straight basis, no? And meron din siyang tinatawag na installment price wherein ganito naman or ito naman ang presyo ng PPE if bibilhin mo siya ng hulugan. Okay? And normally, magkaiba ang cash price and installment price. Okay? Kasi class, no, di ba pag hulugan ang basis or installment basis, normally, no, may nakapaloob doon na interest. Okay? And syempre, no, 'di ba iba ang accounting treatment natin for interest, no? Ina-account natin siya separately. Kaya nga may mga account na interest expense, no, interest income. So kapag ganun yung case, no, may cash price yung PPE, tapos merong installment price and binili siya at installment price, still we record pa rin yung PPE at the cash price. Okay? Kasi pag installment price ang ginamit natin, may include no, may include yung interest dun sa cost ng PPE. Okay? Which is dapat hindi, no? The excess of the installment price over the cash price is treated as an interest to be amortized over the credit period. Okay? So ganyan naman 'di ba, no? Normally pag hulugan nating binibili ang isang gamit, merong interest, no? Okay? Ayan. If an asset is acquired by installment and there is no available cash price, okay? Ayan. The asset is recorded at an amount equal to present value of all payments using an implied interest rate. Okay? So kapag naman hindi given or hindi available ang cash price, no? We compute the present value of all payments. Okay? Kasi yung present value, no? Yan kumbaga yung cash price equivalent, no? Okay? Ayan. Yan yung cash price equivalent ng PPE if wala siyang available na cash price. Okay? Ayan. Illustration, Christian Company purchased equipment on January 1, 2020 under the following terms. Okay? May down payment na 200,000 pesos and merong 5 annual payments of 100. So, 5 annual payments of 100,000. So, total nun 500,000, no? Okay? Ayan. 100,000 times 5, no? 500,000. The first installment note to be paid on December 31, 2020. Okay? The same equipment was available at a cash price of 580. So meaning, kapag binili natin yung equipment na ito on a cash straight basis, no? Ayan, cash straight. Hindi hulugan, no? 580 lang yung babayaran natin. Okay? Pero, binili siya ni Christian Company ng installment. Okay? Wherein nag-down siya ng 200 and 5 annual payments of 100,000. Prepare all entries relating to the equipment for 2020 and 2021. Okay? Ayan. No? Una natin gagawin, class, no? We determine the interest. No? Kasi ito ay installment basis. Okay? So, we compare the cash price of the equipment, which is 580,000, okay, versus dun sa installment price. The excess of the installment price over cash price is treated as an interest. So, we compare the cash price versus dun sa tinatawag nating installment price. Okay? So, simply yung installment price, ito yung total na payments na mangyayari kapag installment. Okay? So, kapag installment, no, binili niya to ng down payment, may down payment siyang 200. Tapos yung annual payments na 500,000. Okay? Ayan, no, 500,000. So, the installment price is 700,000. So, mas malaki, no, sa cash price. And normally, ganyan naman talaga, no? Kasi nga may interest na nakapaloob, no? Kung binili natin siya ng cash price, 580. Kung binili natin siya ng installment, 700,000. So, ibig sabihin, yung difference nan, the excess of the installment price over cash price is the interest. Okay? This is the interest. No? Interest. Ang interest is 120,000. Okay? 700 minus 580. Okay? And yung interest na yan, no, hindi natin yan i-recognize agad as outright, no, as outright interest expense, no? Hindi natin i-recognize agad yan as outright interest expense na 120. Okay? So, yung 120,000 na to, ang sabi, to be amortized over the credit period. No? So, i-amortize natin ito. Pag sinabi natin i-amortize class, basically, no, i-spread out natin tong 120,000 na to into different accounting periods. Okay? Amortize over the credit period. Spread out natin or i-allocate kumbaga ang 120,000 to different accounting periods. Okay? Yan. So, na-compute na natin class, no, yung interest, no, to be amortized. We can record na the journal entry for the acquisition. Okay? January 1, 2020. Ayan. Debit equipment. Ang sabi, ang equipment recorded at cash price. No, laging cash price ang recording natin, ha. So the cash price is 580. Debit 580,000 equipment. Okay? So credit cash, no? We credit cash. Kasi nagkaroon ng down payment, no? 200,000. Okay? We credit notes payable, no? Credit notes payable. Okay? At amount, 500,000. Okay? 500,000. Ayan. So, hindi balance yung entry, no? Yung ating balancing figure for debit, yan yung ating kung tinatawag na discount. Discount on notes payable na 120. Okay? Ito yon, no? Ayan. Ngayon, class, no, to record the entry on December 31, 2020. No? Ayan. Kasi 5 annual payments daw, 100,000. The first installment known to be paid December 31. Okay, so we debit notes payable, we credit cash. No? 100,000. Okay? And meron tayong discount on notes payable which is 120,000 pesos na i-amortize spread out sa different accounting periods. So meaning merong interest expense nung 2020. Okay? Ayan. May interest na tayong i-recognize sa 2020. Hindi nga lang 120. Okay? No? So to compute the interest expense, no? So syempre gagawa tayo ng amortization schedule. Okay? Ayan. Amortization schedule. Ayan. So, lagay natin dito, no, yung date. Ayan. Tapos, no, lagay natin dito yung outstanding balance. Ayan. Tapos, no, fraction. Ayan. Fraction. And yung amortization of interest. Okay? Ito. Ito. For December 31, 2020, no? 2020. Oh, sorry, no, not December 31 pala. January 1, no? January 1, 2020. Ayan. As of January 1, 2020, ang outstanding balance ng notes payable is 500. Okay? 500. Pagdating ng January 1, 2021, ang outstanding balance na ng notes payable is 400. Okay? Kasi 100 siya per year, di ba? No? Ayan. Every December 31, 2020. So, pagpasok ng 2022, magiging 300,000 na, no? Yung outstanding balance ng notes payable. Pagdating ng 2023, magiging 200,000. And pagdating ng 2024, January 1, 100,000 na lang, no? Yung balanse ng notes payable. Okay? Yan. Kasi class, no, gagamitin natin itong outstanding balance ng notes payable per beginning of the year to allocate the 120,000, no, na interest. No, to allocate ito. So, total, 1.5, no? 1.5 million. Okay? Fraction, so derive lang natin yung fraction, no? So 500 over 1.5 million, no? Ayan, so 500,000 divided by or over 1.5 million. 500,000 over 1.5 million. So nilowest term lang natin, no? Okay? Ayan, 400 over 1,500. 300 over 1,500, lowest or lower term, no? 200 over 1,500 and 100 over 1,500. Okay? So, gagamitin natin yung mga fraction na yan, class, no? To allocate the total interest na 120. Okay? So, 120 times 500 divided by 1.5. No? 500 divided by 1.5. Okay, that is 40, no? 40,000. 120 times 400 divided by 1,500, no? That is 32, no? 32, okay? 300 over 1,500 times 120, that is 24, no? Okay? 200 over 1,500 times 120, that is 16. And 120 times 100 over 1,500, that is 8. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, sa 2020, we recognize interest expense of 40,000 pesos. Okay? So, debit interest expense, credit discount on notes payable na kano yun? 40. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ganito class, no, yung allocation natin ng 120,000, no? In-spread out natin siya into different accounting periods. Okay? Ayan. Okay, for year 2021, December 31, 2021. So, we debit notes payable, credit cash na 100, and we debit interest expense, credit discount on notes payable na 32. No, 32. Okay? So, yan lang naman class, no, yung entries na kailangan for the problem kasi hanggang 2021 lang naman yung hiningi niya, no? Okay? Okay? Ayan. So, tapos na, no, itong problem na to. So, ganito yung gagawin kapag available yung cash price. Ang sunod nating problem, no, what if walang cash price na given? Okay? Paano naman ang accounting kapag ganun yung case, no, na hindi given ang cash price?